Hey everyone, welcome back to Cloud with Rahul. In our last video, we covered what cloud computing is and why it matters. Today we are going one level deeper. We are going to talk about the types of cloud models. Now when we say cloud, it is not just one single thing. There are actually three different types of cloud models: public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. Each one works differently and is used for different situations. Let's break them down one by one. First, let's talk about the public cloud. The public cloud is owned and operated by a third-party cloud provider, like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. It is available to multiple users over the internet. Anyone can sign up and start using it. The cost is low because you follow a pay-as-you-go model, meaning you only pay for what you actually use. Now here is a real-world example. Imagine a startup that wants to create an online shopping website. Instead of spending lakhs of rupees buying physical servers, the startup simply uses AWS to host its website. This saves a huge amount of money up front and also allows the website to handle more users easily as the business grows. That is the power of the public cloud: affordable, flexible, and ready to scale. Next, let's talk about the private cloud. The private cloud is owned and used by a single organization only. It is not shared with anyone else. Because of this, it offers much higher security and full control over data. The trade-off is that it comes with a higher setup and maintenance cost. Here is a real-world example. Think about a bank. A bank stores extremely sensitive information: customer account details, transaction records, financial data. This kind of data cannot be on a shared public cloud. So the bank keeps everything in its own private cloud. This gives the bank complete security and full control over who can access the data and how it is managed. Now let's talk about the third model, the hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud is a combination of both public and private cloud. Some resources are kept private and secure, while others are made available on the public cloud. This gives organizations the best of both worlds: strong security where needed, and flexibility and cost savings where possible. Here is a perfect real-world example. Think about a hospital. A hospital stores patient medical records. This is extremely sensitive data. So the hospital keeps all medical records in a private cloud for safety and compliance. But at the same time, the hospital also runs its public-facing website and appointment booking app on the public cloud, so that patients can easily access it from anywhere. This combination gives the hospital both strong security for sensitive data and easy access for everyday users. That is exactly what the hybrid cloud is designed for. Now let's quickly compare all three models side by side. The public cloud is owned by a third-party provider, accessible to multiple users over the internet, has lower security for sensitive data, and is the most cost-effective option with pay-as-you-go pricing. Examples include AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. The private cloud is owned by a single organization, used only internally, offers high security and full control, but comes with a higher setup and maintenance cost. A good example is a bank running its own internal cloud or private servers. The hybrid cloud is shared between an organization and a cloud provider. Some data stays private and some is public. It offers balanced security and flexibility at a moderate cost. A great example is a company that uses its own private servers for sensitive data, while also using AWS for everything else. So to wrap it up, choosing the right cloud model depends entirely on your needs. If you want low cost and easy scalability, go with the public cloud. If you need maximum security and control, go with the private cloud. And if you need both, the hybrid cloud is your answer. That is it for today's video. If you found this helpful, Please hit the like button and subscribe to Cloud with Rahul for more videos just like this. I will see you in the next one.